पणजेत आशिल्ली सेंट्रल झोन कोमनीदादीची इमारत भायल्यान सुंदर दिसता, मात भितर भूत बंगलो जाला. तातूंत कोमनीदादीचे प्रशासकाचें कार्यालय आसा. थंय कामगारूय आसात. मात इमारतीचो सांबाळ करपाक प्रशासकांक अपेस आयिल्ल्यान इमारती सयत तातूंत आशिल्ले तिसवाडी आनी फोंड्यांतल्या कोमनीदादीचे पोरणे दुकुमेंत पिड्यार जाल्यात. तिसवाडी आनी फोंडेंतल्या कोमनीदादीच्या वांगड्यांनी मंगळारा दीस सेंट्रल झोन इमारतींत वचून पळोवणी केल्ली. प्रशासकानूय तांकां सहकार्य केल्लें. इमारत आनी तातूंत आशिल्ले पोरणे दुकुमेंताची अवस्था पळोवन कोमनीदादीचे वांगडी बेजारल्यात. कोमनीदाद प्रशासक आनी तांचो सचीव म्हणटा, कोमनीदादी कडेन दुडू आसात, मात कोमनीदादी कडल्यान दिराम येता तो कामगारांचो पगार घालपाकूच पावना, देखून तो वाडोवचो खंय. तुमीच पळयात.
They have requested me that we'll have a joint inspection, and accordingly today all they have come and inspected. First thing, foremost thing is the maintenance of the building. Then it will be go accordingly. They have what they have told that they will make some contribution also, with the help of other communities which are coming under central zone. So what I told them that we'll help them. You put up your proposal, what you can contribute. So that this proposal and everything, this proposal we can send forward to the government for their approval, and we'll see what government can contribute in that. So that first and foremost thing, this building can be restored in a good condition. Now second thing is records of the community. All communal records are there, as he has said already to you. The records are very old, and that has to be maintained properly. So that also we'll have to take. Records are actually conditioned, but they have not been properly maintained, because being a old structure and cupboards are very old, they have not been properly. So we'll have to put it in the proper condition first. Now as far as being, I am a ring officer, I don't know much about this, what previously what they have done. So our secretary Mr. Bharat Javkar will give you more on that.
I can say that it is already declared the dilapidated condition for building. Dilapidated. Government has declared already. Even the engineer and in the process between government and us is under process now to restore the building, complete restore the building. So already authority concerns PWD, even minister have visited and inspected the site. After any season they are going to take the action to repair, renovate the building. There are many hurdles are there. They down ground floor. There are tenants are there. There are many conditions. They are not going out while repairing. Nothing. They are not giving NOC also to repair to government. And therefore it was stopped that time only, because this dilapidated condition building was done by the government last 5 years back. Till 5 years back, this process is still going on. Now government is want to funding this, and if it is less amount, that funding should come from the government. At that present, from Monday onward, government is deploying by revenue department some laborers by carpenter and Stanley's of those. Some is deploying on Monday onward. That will be clean from level of the revenue department. And after the cleaning, then we can see which documents are torn, soiled, and totally ruined. And thereafter, you can see the why this is happened, because only our DP's office does not have staff. If you are not putting, if you increase the staff, the possibility of the fund, there is no fund to pay the salary, and because of that is the main reason behind it, that is totally become the dump. The main reason behind it. And what Komdadi is doing, Komdadi is sitting only one zone every time, dividend. If you levy them more Dharma is in the form of the royalty. Royalty in the form of, you levied more them. Suppose we are levying, for example, you can take the example of Taligaon. Suppose we levied them 5 lakh rupees. Dharma, you have to increase double, 10 lakh. If the 10 lakhs come, then we can do all these things. But they don't want anything. They are insisting only on dividends and then this is the last income. What is mean by after total expenditure? After total expenditure, only they can claim the dividend. Thereafter, not before. So they are showing priority, and because this happens all entire thing. This is upon. Government is already under consideration. Government will do after completion of the monsoon, and it will done. No problem at all there. But even I don't know what is the reason behind it. Why is so much done by the this thing happen. This is what the position of the Komdar now. Why? Komdar have a lot of money. Every Komdar has a lot of money. Komdar in terms of the villages. In terms of the villages have a lot of money. But how the funding can come? If you increase the Dharma, means royalty, they are shouting, controversial issue, tussle, etc., etc., etc. And we are stopping them to increase the Dharma. What if it is happen? Now government, now only we are keeping the insisting on government. Baba, government will see our grievances. This is the final stage. There is nothing to stage there is.
कोमनीदादीच्या सेंट्रल झोन इमारतीची जाल्ली अवस्था पळोवपाक गेल्ल्या तिसवाडी आनी फोंडेच्या कोमनीदाद वांगड्यांनी मात कोमनीदाद प्रशासकाच्या कार्यालयान केल्ली मागणी मान्य करपाक तयार नात. पुरातन म्हत्व आशिल्ली कोमनीदादीच्या सेंट्रल झोन इमारतीची दुरुस्ती कोमनीदादीन कित्याक करपाक जाय? कोमनीदादी घेता त्या येणावळींतलो वांटो कोमनीदाद प्रशासक कार्यालयाक दिता अशें करमळे कोमनीदादीचो अध्यक्ष म्हणटा. कोमनीदादी घेता त्या येणावळीचो चडसो वांटो प्रशासक कार्यालयाक आनी सरकाराचो कर भरपाकूच वता.
Along with the team, we don't agree to what the administration has spoken right now. तेणें उलयलां की दिराम वाडोवपा जायो आनी दिराम वाडोय जाल्यार मेंटेनन्स चलता म्हणून. As per today, 33% dirham is being paid by all Kumdads. Whoever is getting zoned is paying 33%. जे कोण म्हणटाय न्ही की दिराम वाडोवपा जायो, they actually don't understand the meaning. एक 100 रुपयाचे 33% goes as dirham. Plus on that 100 rupees, there is a income tax. Income which is coming to the Kumdar, 33 rupees goes as dirham. Plus another 30% goes as income tax. So 63% is gone. If 63% is gone, how much is remaining? Minus करायचं आहे बरं. 63 झाले की उरले 37% उरले. 37% कुमदादी उरतात, 33% गव्हर्नमेंट उरतात, 30% इन्कम टॅक्स उरतात. जाल्यार तेच जाल्यार जोरी तोरी आनी दिराम वाडोवपा म्हणटाय जाल्यार 100% वराय मरे. This is the wrong message what everybody is passing out and coming into press. Is it required that we as Kumdad could show this? Is this leakages? Is these walls damaged in the last 5-10 years? Nobody has looked at this for the last 50 years plus and checked 50 years plus कितली दिरामा जोडल्या त्या गव्हर्नमेंटान. ह्या बिल्डिंगा भायल्यांचोय ब्लू आनी व्हाईट पेंट चकाचक टुरिस्ट येवन फोटो मारताय. ते टुरिस्टांक भितर हाडान दाखय रियलिटी. So this is what is the reality. We should not say that dirama वाडोवपाचो message wrong pass करप न्ही. Already there is 33 plus 30% income tax, 63% going to the government. Isn't this enough? Every year plus Kumdad land has been taken over, left, right and center. If you come to the archives today, you will feel very sad. Very sad. You will feel even sad for these people who are talking. All the administration who are talking, you will feel sad they don't have a proper toilet. But still they are working. And everybody will speak in favor of the government. 33% dirham plus 30% income tax, make it 100%. Even if you give 100% Kumdad earnings for the government is not going to do anything. Why? Because you need people who need intent here to do. Ye korpa all rocket science nu. Ye not change korpa, ye poth te thing godman ye korpa ye rocket science nu. जो इतो यो अलमारी साफ करपा रॉकेट सायन्स न्हू. नेक्स्ट फ्रायडे 24th we members of this central zone call upon all the other central zone members who can come with some cleaning equipment. We will restore that place on a primary condition. We will clean up the place, we will square up, we will put the cupboards in order and we will make that place at least more secure than what it is. We will put some fire extinguishing system so that it is safe. So this can be done if we can do it on next Friday. एक 4-5 मानाय घेवन आनी आमी सगळे एकठांय जावन जर तर आमच्यान करपा जाता जाल्यार एक दिराम वाडोवपाक गरज आहा.
ह्या बिल्डिंगाचो ऑडिट केलो. हे ओंट्यो पावसान पिड्यार जाता. लिकेज जाल्या वयर रूफ कित्याक जाल्लो कांयच खबर ना. कित्याक हेका सिलींग आहा वयर. तो एक्सपर्टाक हाडून पळोवचो पडटलो. दुसरो आमी डिसायड केला हो जो आर्कायव आहा तो आमी कोणी एक एक्सपर्ट कोणी लायक कुंदासा उरेन तो कोण म्हणटा पळय दुसरे एक्सपर्ट इन मेंटेनिंग द आर्कायव तांकां हाडून आमी तो मेंटेन करपाक बरे भाशेन ते डॉक्युमेंट सांबाळपाक आमी डिसिजन घेतला आयज. सगळे गांवकार सेंट्रल झोन तशें तिसवाडी आनी पोंडा कित्याक हे दोन कोमदाचे तिसवाडीचे आनी पोंडेचे हें घर तांकां उलो मारता फुडले फाटी आमी जेन्ना तांकां आपयताले तुमी जाय ते हितून येवचे म्हणून